How beautifully the technical levels plays a major role. Gold, as we discussed, precisely reversed today from 27.6 levels. We have discussed in our today morning update with the Asian Europe session that 27, 30, 32 zone greater resistance exists for gold here. Likewise with US crude, exactly the same happened. 72.6, it failed to break past by so far. And on the downside, 71 levels. Remember, these levels we have discussed very crisply, very precisely there. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today with the US session? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you appreciate the effort, do press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment. And you can also join the channel memberships. Let's start. First, we look into hourly charts. See, gold on the hourly chart, first of all, you must notice there was a consolidation zone, then the sharp drop, and it is under retracement right now. In this update, first we are looking at gold and then followed with oil. So watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts. This was the retracement, couple of bearish candles, but notice this. The drop here so far failed to break the lows here. These were the only selling entries here. So yes, if you see price is staying below 2014 any point of time today, tomorrow, you have to just stay short. Else what is happening right now, it is still giving you higher highs, higher lows. So possibility for gold to strike again towards 2830 zone exists high here. So it can try to fly towards these levels. Now, see, look at the stochastic. This is hitting the bottom, trying to rise. MACD is also at bottom. It can try to diverge. RSI is also rising. Coming to 2 hour. Now, on the 2 hour chart, there is an important observation. Drop, retracement, a reversal sign. Now, see, when there is a reversal sign, there are a couple of bearish candles here. Increasing body size, that is next important point. Thus, we have to wait for gold to trade above 25 levels, 26 levels, beyond which we can expect it to move towards 2830 zone. Very nearby resistances, but cannot avoid. You have to just, because the volumes are also very low, the movement is also very sluggish. You have to just get 20-40 pips, whatever you are getting, you have to take it and enjoy the profit. So beyond 25-26 zone, you can buy and then expect 2830 to get the resistance. And 32 is the next. If it trades beyond 32, we can expect we are looking at 36, 35, and then 40 levels, beyond which it should be considered for a reversal. Right now, what is happening? Lower highs here. So notice this, lower highs on the candles, increasing body size suggests that the prices might reverse, and lower lows means we have to wait for it to break below 2015, 2014 levels, below which certainly more bearishness is going to prevail and a sharper drop can be expected. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bearish, it can possibly convert, crossover, but right now it is still staying bearish. RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour chart. Now look at 3 hour charts here. See how beautifully the highs are connected and the lows are connected beautifully as well. Thus on the upside 2830 zone, on the downside now 2020, 2018 levels. In between this zone, we have to be extremely watchful, cautious, and alert. It can try to see after retracing a bit, yielding higher highs, one red candle, and hence it can reverse from the current levels and continue on the downside. Be watchful here. It is not still bullish, but look at the moving averages. These have crossed over and are running parallel, and this is a sign of bullishness here. If you look at a stochastic, this is also rising, but look at MACD, divergent, bearish, looking downwards. RSI almost flat. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, after the drop, see these 3 and 4 candles are very, very important. It has formed a very, very strong base here as 2014, 2015 levels, and since then we have seen it yielding higher lows, higher highs, forming a nice channel. Thus only sell entry below 2020, 2018 zone, and then also we have to wait for 2014, 2015 to be breached. On the upside, similar observation, it is still under the retracement channel, not a reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, it is crossed over here at the top and it is trying to trade with little divergence. If you notice the MACD, see this formation, lower highs here as well. So definitely this is at a crossover. We'll watch out how it behaves in between this zone, that is 2030-32 and 2014-15. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now, before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch. Register yourself now itself. See, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Also, you can find the details of this batch on my platform www.forexfunda.com. The link is there in the channel and video description. You will also find the details for the consultations package where you can consult with me one-to-one live for any of your trading or trading queries, or be it your existing accounts as well. So you can also ask me to predict or do a futuristic analysis for any of the instruments across the globe. So thus visit the webinar and consultations group, or join the mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel. Now look at this gold here on the daily chart. See, first of all, lower lows here, lower highs, one breakout. Now after the breakout, it is again tried to reverse. Now see how beautifully the 20 period moving average have given it a support. Very strong support is seen here. Thus once the prices stays below 2014, definitely that will be the point at which we can expect more bearishness. Also, now on the upside, the median of the Bollinger Bands giving it a little resistance here at 2028, and I will wait for a crossover below the 20 period moving average, and then you can say that the prices are turning bearish. We can see lower lows from the current level. Right now it appears that the volume is low, the movement is very you can say it is trading in range, neither willing to move up nor willing to go down. Stochastic near to overbought zone. MACD is bearish here. It has tried to converge, but it is not yet crossed over. It is still staying bearish. I have shown this every analysis. In my every analysis, look at the double top levels, look at the double top here, crossover here. There is a bearish sign, and it has still scope for it to continue on the downside. RSI comfortable. Considering this, you can buy here at 25, 26 levels, but with caution. 28, 30, 32, very strong resistance here, then 36. And if it stays above 36, you can say that the bulls are trying to take over, and we can look forward to 2040 and plus levels. Else, as long as 2032 is not and 2036 is not breached, gold is not to be treated as bullish. It can revert. On the downside, you can sell here at 2018, 2020 levels. Expect it to move towards 2014, 2015 levels. Very good support here at 2014, 15. If it stays below 2014, you can say we are looking forward to a bearish move in gold, where we are looking at 28, 2010 as the first target, 2000 as the next, and then below that 1991, 1984, 85. If not today, some point of time this week, as long as it stays below 2014, more bearishness may prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. See, US crude on the early charts, it appears there is a wall there on the upside, which it is failing to break past by 72.6 levels. And those who follow me must recall these levels. I have mentioned this several times in my updates, analysis, discussion. Every time I have mentioned 72.6, it needs to break in order to confirm further bullishness. Now again, same levels will come into picture. If you see the price is staying above 72.6, stay bullish for 73.2, 74 levels. This time the breakout can be stronger if it does show a breakout. On the downside, you can look at higher lows are seen, flat top. This is a squeezing triangle here, and possibly only below 71 we can expect it to trade bearish. The stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, crossover for a buying entry. It has seen a bottom, a crossover here can take it to the highs. RSI comfortable. Coming to 2-hour, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts. Nothing different, nothing extraordinary to mention here. Does wait for it to give a breakout, which you should await, and beyond which you can take a position. On the downside, now 71.6 levels. We have mentioned earlier in the day that below 71.6, 71.4, you can look forward to 71 as the next target, and again the same targets remain intact. The stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish here. It is waiting for this good wave to take a bottom and then bounce back. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, whenever it has seen a drop, it has shown a pullback. Now this suggests that the prices are certainly not willing to stay bearish, and the resistance on the upside needs to be breached. Now wait for it, and then you can take your positions. Also, you should note, see, this is a recovery. It is trading in this zone. It has to give a breakout. 73, 74 is the resistance it needs to break past by in order to confirm a reversal. A stochastic rising, MACD is, see, only bearish sign here is on MACD. MACD is willing to cross over for a sell. Thus, once it crosses over and trades, it diverges, couple of red candles, and we can see bearishness here. RSI looking down. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts as well. Now, in fact, we can take a sell position below 72 here, but then you have to strictly monitor the position 71.8, 71.6, 71.4. As long as 71 is not taken, you have to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Yes, whenever you see there is a wall and multiple times it fails to break past, see, after failing to break past, it can reverse because it is getting a no entry there. So we have to watch out more carefully. The stock has near to overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI looking down. Coming to the daily. Likewise on the daily chart, similar observation, nothing different. Similar candles, but look at the symmetry here. These are two symmetrical candles. So prices might stay within this zone. On the upside, the 20 period moving average is sitting at 73, which is going to be a greater resistance. Thus beyond 72.6, at least it may try to touch 73 levels at least. Beyond 73, 73.2, it is directly going to hit 74, which is definitely, this zone is a greater resistance zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trying to trade with divergence, trying to stay bullish. This is the sign which is giving a ray of hope for a recovery in oil prices. And this time the recovery can be strong, which can lead to the higher prices. RSI comfortable. Thus, again, buying entry 72.6. Those who wants to take a little profit on the downside and take a little risk can sell at 72, but with strictly a trailing stop loss of 20 cents, 71.86, 71.4, very good support here, and then 71. Below 71 is the point where you can say that the prices are reversed and we can see bearishness. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch signals channel and the consultations group. Visit my platform forexwonder.com or join my free Telegram channel for more updates. Stay tuned with the latest update with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do not miss that. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.